This is Samsung Galaxy S23, and today I would like to share the top 5 pro tips and features for this device. So to begin with, I'm going to demonstrate that you can set up the fingerprint recognition feature. So first of all, you'll need to launch settings, then go into the lock screen category, then open the screen lock type page, turn on the fingerprints, continue, then choose what screen lock method you would like to use as your backup. I'll go with pattern and set up the pattern that I would like to use. Then tap at the register button. In here, as you can see, the scanner, the fingerprint sensor is located underneath the screen. So make sure to follow the instructions and lay your finger onto inside the circle. As you can see, it moves a little bit each time it registers the part of your fingerprint to ensure that the entire surface of it will be correctly and entirely scanned. If you have any issues with this procedure, make sure that your finger is moisturized, because if your fingerprint is too dry, you will not be able to register anything pretty much. And here we have it. So now let me just go ahead and test it out. See how well it works. As you can see, it works just fine. The next feature that I wanted to demonstrate is located at the display category of settings, so let's enter it. This little configuration is called the motion smoothness, and let me find it first. Here it is. So basically, there are two modes to choose from. You can either go with standard value of 60 Hz, which basically a value of screen refresh rate, and get less smoothness, less motion and animations and visual smoothness, but more battery life, or set it to be adaptive and allow system to increase the screen refresh rate up to 120 Hz, which will provide you with smoother visual experience at this point. And if you are not sure, you can also see this little preview animations that will show you the difference. Next, I wanted to demonstrate that you can enable and set up the always on display on this device. So launch settings, enter the lock screen category, go into the always on display, turn it on. In here, first thing to change is the behavior of it. Which mode it will be showed in. You can either set it to be shown only once you tap your screen, make it visible at all times, so it will be permanently enabled. Set some automatic schedule for it to be shown in between, or show each time you receive any notifications. I'll just set it to show always. Then you can change the clock style, the design of your AOD, the color of text. You can also set some custom image as well, either sticker or AR emoji, Bitmoji, theme, or even choose any custom photo that you'd like from your device gallery. In here you can also decide whether you would like for the AOD to show the music information, what screen orientation it will have, enable or disable the adaptive brightness for it, or even set the manual brightness if you want to. And at this point we are all set pretty much. Let me test out and see what does it look like. And here I have it. Next option for today is a rather small one. Basically, if you're not satisfied with the sound quality that you have on this device, or even if you are satisfied but would like to to make it even better, you can enable the Dolby Atmos enhancement feature, sound enhancement feature, which you can do by going into settings, entering the sound and vibration category, then go for the sound quality and effects page and turn on the Dolby Atmos toggle. The next, or should I say fifth and final feature for today is located at the battery and device care category of settings. Then open the memory page. It is called RAM Plus, and it allows you to increase your random access memory by 2, 4, 6, or 8 gigabytes respectively, which this feature achieves through occupying the same amount of internal storage and using it further as the random access memory, like the virtual RAM, as it is usually referred to. So just turn this toggle on, reload or restart your smartphone, and upon rebooting, you'll see that the changes you have made were successfully enrolled. Alrighty, so that would be it. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.